We're here to unveil the fabric of our being, which we're really proud to be putting in our terminal today. It celebrates Black History Month. We're really proud of the work that Dr. Jean Augustine has brought to the piece, and as well Nadine Williams, who is the artist. But I do want to recognize the grade 4 to grade 8 students at Waterfront School who really worked hard to put this piece together. We're really proud to see this hanging in our terminal.
So very pleased, so very honored to be at Billy Bishop's this morning for this installation of a recollection of individuals of people of African descent and their stories as done by the Waterfront School. It is amazing that the young people are learning about people of African descent in this Black History Month.
The fabric of our being is this amazing textile art installation in celebration of the International Decade for people of African descent. The Billy Bishop Airport supports Toronto as well as Newport Aviation said yes to this inaugural airport installation. I have about 150 of them today. I'm hoping to get to 1,000. So I'm hoping that friends will share it among each other and that we can get a lot more airports. And so I'm excited that the decade has been extended for another 4 years. So this means the journey continues.
Black history, as you know, is Canadian history. It's all of our history. At the same time, the decade for people of African descent is one that we want to underscore. And this installation this morning helps us to underscore this. So congratulations, thank you to the leadership of Billy Bishop's and all those who made today happen. It was an exciting, exhilarating morning. And to see the young people, it's really mind-blowing.